Family. We often think of it as a group of people who share a last name, connected by blood. But family is so much more than that. It's a feeling, a safety net, a source of unwavering love. Family is the group of people who choose to love you, flaws and all. They are there for you through thick and thin. They celebrate your victories and offer comfort during setbacks. This bond goes beyond simple genetics. It's about connection, shared experiences, and unwavering support. Think about the people who make you feel truly seen, who accepts you without judgment. These are the people who embody the true spirit of family. It's about finding your people, the ones who get you, the ones who make you feel at home. We choose our friends, we choose our partners, and sometimes we choose our family. These chosen families are just as valid and important as those we are born into. They offer the same love, support, and sense of belonging. I remember a time when a close friend's family took me in during a difficult period. They provided me with a warm meal, a listening ear, and a shoulder to cry on. They didn't judge my situation, they just offered their love and support. This experience taught me that family isn't always about blood. It's about love. It's about showing up for each other. It's about creating a space where everyone feels safe, accepted, and loved. This is the true meaning of chosen family. Think about your favorite family memories. Chances are they involve a healthy dose of laughter and maybe a few tears. This is the beauty of family. We experience life's full spectrum of emotions together. We laugh together until our stomachs hurt. We share inside jokes that no one else understands. We cry on each other's shoulders when life throws curveballs. These shared experiences, both joyous and challenging, strengthen our bonds. These shared moments, big and small, shape our family's unique story. They provide a sense of continuity and history. They remind us that we are not alone, and they make us who we are. Let's be honest, no family is perfect. We all have our quirks, disagreements, and moments of dysfunction. But these imperfections are what make our families unique. They add character and depth to our relationships. Embrace the imperfections. Learn from the disagreements. Forgive each other's mistakes. These imperfections are not flaws. They are opportunities for growth, understanding, and deeper connection. It's about embracing the messiness of life together. Because at the end of the day, it's not about being perfect. It's about being there for each other, through the good times and the bad. It's about love, acceptance, and the comfort of knowing you always have a place to call home. Family is more than just a group of people. It's a fundamental human need. We all crave belonging, love, and acceptance. Family provides this foundation. It gives us a sense of identity and purpose. From the moment we are born, our families shape who we are. They teach us about love, compassion, and resilience. They provide a safe space to explore the world and develop our sense of self. Family is where we learn to navigate the world. It is where we develop our values and beliefs, and it is where we find the strength to face life's challenges. Our families, whether chosen or given, are our anchors. They keep us grounded. Cherish your family. Embrace their imperfections. Celebrate the laughter and offer comfort during tears. Remember that these bonds are precious and deserve to be nurtured. Reach out to a family member today. Tell them you love them. Share a memory that makes you smile. Let them know that you appreciate their presence in your life. These small acts of kindness can strengthen the bonds that make family so special. In a world that often feels chaotic and uncertain, family offers a sense of belonging and stability. It reminds us that we are loved, valued, and supported. Never take that for granted. Let's cherish these connections and celebrate the profound impact they have on our lives.